For our newest smart TVs, the stand is actually a pair of symmetrical stand-based feet that provide a welcome design touch in addition to outstanding stability. To attach them, you'll need the 4 screws that are included with your TV and your own Phillips head screwdriver. Start with your TV face down on a flat covered tabletop so that the base extends away from the edge of the table. The feet are designed so that the left and right will each only fit in its correct spot. So place the first one into position, hooking it in at the top here, and then lining it up gently. Then drop in each of the 2 screws for this foot and firmly hand tighten, but don't over tighten. Repeat this process for the other stand-based foot. Note that these are fixed position stand-based feet, so the TV does not swivel. With the help of a friend, lift the TV up, then place it wherever you want to enjoy LG Smart TV.